What you have to do is you want to be successful. If you want to be successful, you have to do several important things. Set clear goal. Know what you want to achieve and make a plan to reach it. Example, I want to become a teacher. I will study education and practice teaching. Work hard. Success does not come easily. You must put in time and effort. Example, I study every day to improve my skill. Stay focused, avoid distraction and concentrate on your goal. Example, I don't waste time on things that don't help me succeed. Learn from mistakes. Don't give up when you fail. Learn and try again. Example, if I fail my first test, but I study hard and pass the next one. Be disciplined, build good habits and stay consistent. Example, I wake up early and follow my schedule every day. Stay positive, believe in yourself even when things are difficult. Example, I know I can do it if I keep trying. Keep learning, always improve your knowledge and skill. Example, I read book and take course to learn more.